Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a star. This is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami. Now we're going to start with the colored side down. Now we'll valley fold in half along the diagonal. So we'll bring the top right corner down to the bottom left corner. Line both of those corners up and then crease it all the way across. Now rotate slightly. Next we'll bring this right point down to the bottom point. So just line that up at the bottom and you can crease that down. And these edges should lie on top of each other. Now bring the left point down to meet those. And crease that one. Now unfold both of those. Next we're going to valley fold the model in half. So we'll bring this right point over to the left point. Next we're going to make a valley fold that bisects the angle between this edge and this crease. So to do that, we'll fold this top flap over, and then this crease is going to lie along this edge. So fold that over and swivel it around until that crease lines up. Then you can crease it down. It should extend all the way to the top. Now turn the whole model over. Now we'll do the same thing on this side. So we'll bring this crease in to lie along this edge. Swing the flap over and it should line up perfectly with the flap below it. Just like this. Next we're going to pull out one layer of paper from the inside here. So you'll need to separate these two layers and just grab the outermost layer and swing it outside. And then you can flatten that down. It should look like that. Next we're going to valley fold this top flap over on the existing crease line right here. And now valley fold this flap back down along this crease. Now for this next step, we're going to be valley folding this flap out to make one of the points of the star. Now there is a way to do this with reference points, but it ends up with a couple creases on the end of the model, so I'll just show you how to do that without any, and if you just look closely, you can eyeball it and get pretty close, and it should look good. So I'll show you what I mean first. So you fold it out about that much, and this edge is perpendicular to this crease underneath it. So let's try to fold it out like that. And get as close as you can. Then we're going to turn the whole model over and repeat those steps on this side. So we'll valley fold this point over to meet this point on this crease line. Then we're going to valley fold this flap out to make the last point of the star. The crease should start right from this intersection of these edges. Then just try to make it symmetrical with the other points. Then it should look something like this. Then we're all done. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.